Hello everyone, I am Dr. Turaj Dubey, PNM College Badaya. Today we will discuss about silver salt method which is used silver salt method which is used to determine the molecular mass of organic acid means carboxylic acid. Now we will see which reaction it will follow. For monobasic acid like this, H is denoted for proton, A is termed for conjugate base. For this type of acid, monobasic acid, when it will react with AgNO3, it will give the silver salt of acid, which is a solid residue, so it will be precipitated after the reaction. But when it is a suppose, but when it is N basic, means N should be 1, 2, 3, and so on. Then how the reaction will go? HNA plus NaGNO3 will give AgNA and HNO3. Now this precipitate will be heated and it will give the silver salt. You see here it is silver salt. Means for monobasic acid we will take N is equal to 1. For dibasic acid we can take N is equal to 2. For tribasic it will be 3 and so on. Now suppose the precipitate which we achieved in first reaction, here the weight of this precipitate is W1, and after heating it will convert it into silver and giving the weight of W2. Now if we try to find out the number of moles of the reactant part, then it will be equal to weight of the reactant, here W1, divided by molecular weight of the reactant, Agn, means n times of weight of Ag means 108 108 plus Ma, mass of A part means conjugate base part of the acid here. Now in the product part, if we calculate the number of moles in the terms of W2, we will find out W2 total mass of this divided by 108, because here only silver is present. But if we want to calculate, we want to define number of moles in terms of weight of reactant part, we will know from the reaction of stoichiometry that the number of moles of the product part multiplied by number of moles of reactant part, this is this one, divided by number of moles of reactant part, here number of moles is 1, will be equal to number of moles of product part, which we already find out that it is W2 upon 108. Now when we solve this equation, we will find W2 is equal to NW1 divided by 108 plus Ma multiplied by 108. This 108 will go here. Now if we solve this equation, we will find Ma is equal to 108 multiplied by N within bracket W1 minus W2 upon W2. Now come to example. 0.41 gram of silver salt of dibasic acid was heated to produce 0.216 gram of silver. Find the molecular mass of acid. Here we see this is a dibasic acid. For dibasic acid, N is equal to 2. And W1, what is W1? The silver salt of dibasic acid. Silver salt of dibasic acid, which is W1. Here you see W1 is equal to 0.41 gram and W2 will be 0.216 gram. Now we have to calculate Ma. You can solve it using this formula, or using this formula. Thank you. That's all for now. We will meet in another lecture on another day. Thank you.